Namaskar, I am Doipen Choudhury and this is the first interactive video on my YouTube channel. But before addressing all the questions and comments, I must say I want to thank you everyone for giving so much love and support to me and my world of dance. Now Fusion Choreography has almost 30,000 subscribers and million views in some videos. But more than that, I'm actually moved by the comment section. There are so many lovely and positive comments. So when I created Fusion Choreography and when it was growing up, that time many people told me that now we'll face trolling and some negative comments that will pull you down. But I never faced that much negative comments. Most of them are very positive, and couple of them are truly special to me because it seems like I'm from your heart. And you have loved me so much without knowing me unconditionally. That is why I wanted to make this video so that you will know me. On that note, I want to start answering all the questions. I pick 10 questions, but those 10 questions actually cover most of the questions you have asked.
So the first question is a bit generic because many people ask me that where do I live and what do I do. So I live in Washington State, USA, and I'm doing PhD in Washington State University. My department is electrical engineering, but originally I am from West Bengal, India.
Second one from Yogesh Sringi. Yogesh asked me that when did you start your dance and what was the motive behind it, and lots of love from Rajasthan.
So I started learning dance at the age of 6. But before that also I used to dance just by myself because I had a musical ambience in my family. My dad used to sing Rabindra Sangeet and some Bengali songs. My mom has interest in dance. So whenever some music was playing or someone singing, I couldn't stop myself. So after that I started taking the formal training when I was in class 1.
Third one from Shruti Ghosh. My question is very simple. I just want to know when and how did you come across dancing? Who is your guru? How did you gather such a beautiful, mesmerizing talent and amazing way of expressing it so gracefully? These are the most primary and important questions. Please try to answer these. Lots of love and best wishes from West Bengal.
So I must say I am extremely fortunate that I took training under some great Indian classical dancers. My first guru is Srimati Bopa Mukherjee in my hometown Krishnanagar, and after that I learned from Dr. Malavika Mitra, Sri Shubhashish Bhattacharya and Sri Sandip Mollik in Kolkata. So whoever I am today, I am because of them.
Fourth one from Monojit De. I am a male classical dancer and it's tough to be a male classical dancer because of the society. What are your opinion in this? Love your dancing and choreography skills.
I'm so glad that you asked this question because yes, it's a challenge to be male Indian classical dancer in our society. I have been judged by many people from my childhood, so you cannot indulge some unsophisticated mindset. As this is my existence, I don't care. But I want male dancers to raise their voice more and break stereotypes.
Fifth one from Guria Sona. I had to leave dance because of studies. How do I manage both?
I want to mention two things. One is time management and second one is multitasking. I don't know how much I can manage, but utilization of time is the most important thing.
Next one from Shubhrojit Guho. Can a boy start learning dancing in the age of 27?
Yes, of course. Why not? Just go for it. If you haven't learned in your childhood, do it now.
Next one from Aheli Acharya. In every performance, your costume and editing are just mind-blowing. Will you please share with us the secret of your perfect and so match costume and editing? Hope you choose my question. Regards, Aheli. Lots of love from Kolkata.
Yes, many people ask me about the editing, that who edits your video or what editing software you use. So I actually edit all my videos by myself. And I love editing. I started editing in 2016 and skill developed over years. So for beginners, Filmora is super easy and super useful software for editing purpose. And for costume, I don't know, I carried couple of costumes from India and couple of them I stitched by myself. And costumes play a huge role in video and in stage performance.
Eighth question from Prithvi Prakash. Who are the fans? Who are your personal favorite? You might know them or not. You might have talked to them. So who are the top fans? Hope you may reply.
So Prithvi, you want me to take your name? Yes, I'm taking your name. But I read all the comments, like they're so nice, and even I wait for some people to comment, like Hrithik Roy, Vindrila Jha, Anindita Mukherjee, Shuparna. There are so many, and even I don't know them. So that is why I'm in love with my audience.
Next one from Shayanti Sarkar. You are mind-blowing dancer. Do you live in India and do you have any dance academy?
No, I don't teach because at this moment I don't have time for that. As I am doing research, my job is extremely demanding. But one day I want to open my academy. That's my dream. I'll let you know.
The last one from Lucky Maji. Your dance is so amazing. And what is your next dance?
Even I don't know what is the next, but I want to do more concept-driven work, and I want to make you feel better through my dance videos. That's all. Thank you guys. You mean a lot to me. See you in the next video.